Hello guys, so today we are going to study a topic that is how to create a visualization using pie chart and why to create it and where to create it. So when you was a kid in your school days, you might have seen this type of a pie chart for the percentage of gases on the earth. So you have always seen that type of a data, that the percentage of gases on earth in the form of a pie chart, and that is why you always remember that is the nitrogen have a percentage of 78%. If someone might have given you the data in this form of a table, then you might will not be remembering it. So what a pie chart is basically, pie chart will be showing you the percentage of the data in the form of a circular pattern. Now the question arises that where to show the pie chart in the visualization and not be showing any other type of a chart. So the point is, whenever your data is working for discrete and for continuous values, then you can create two type of a chart. One is called as a bar chart and other can be a pie chart. But a pie chart would always be created if the data have a huge differentiated values in it. That is, nitrogen have 78% of the volume, whereas oxygen have only 21%. That is why we can show this type of a data in a pie chart, and due to which the variations in the value is very easily being verified. Whereas if by chance oxygen have near about 52% of data or 51% of data and nitrogen have 49% of the data, then we cannot visualize without showing the percentages in a label. We cannot differentiate that which one have the more value and which one have the least value. That is why we are not creating that type of a data with the help of a pie chart. So what I want to tell you is, a pie chart would always be created whenever your data have huge variations in the values. And for creating a pie chart, we require two type of attributes. One will be a dimension, which will be called as a discrete attributes, and other attribute will be a measure, which will be called as a numerical attribute. Hence they will be using a pie chart. So I think that you might be getting my point. So now we'll be learning that how to create a pie chart in Tableau. For creating a pie chart in Tableau, first of all, you will be having your data. I am taking my data, that is a sample superstore data. I'll be giving you the data in the description below in this video. This data set will be having dimensions and they will be having some of the measure. What I want to do is, I want to create a pie chart for various categories and according to the profit they are earning. So what I need is that which category is showing how much amount of profit. For that I will be creating my pie chart. For creating a pie chart, first of all, you can see, if you know about Tableau, that there is a marks tab. In this marks tab, by default it is automatic convert it to pie. So once you convert it to pie, you can see a new type of a mark which angle will be coming here. So it means if I want to create a pie chart, I have to first of all change my mark to pie. Now drag the dimension that you want to create a pie chart for which, and dragging it and keeping over color. So once I am dragging and keeping it over color, you can see that a pie will be created having three values. One will be for technology, furniture and office supplies, and each one of them have equal quantity. So that was my point. If a data have equal amount of constituents or the values which are very least difference in between, then we cannot create a pie, because pie will not be differentiating between each and all. But here, if the data have a different values, then we can use the pie. If it has a huge variation, then we can use the pie chart in it. Now I have created the chart, I have created it with the category, but I haven't mentioned my measure, that is for which I am creating this pie chart. So I will be picking my profit and keeping it over angle. While keeping it over angle, it picks the value according to the angle and the percentage of the value it contains. So the most of the values is with technology. Then we can see that about 50% that it has a technology, and above we can say get it near to 40% we have office supply, and near to 10 or 20% we have furniture. Whilst without showing me the label of the percentage, still I am getting that which one have the more value, which one have the least value. Okay, so that is why we are using the pie chart here. Now, for showing the better visualization of a pie chart, what we can do better is, we have to give it label. My label will be category. I will be picking category and keeping over label. It will be telling me that which pie is for which type of a dimension, and then I will be picking my profit and keeping it over label. So it will be showing me the value for it. Now it needs to tell me the percentage. So I will be right clicking over it over label and quick table calculation percentage of total. So it will be showing me in the visualization. Now clicking over label, I am increasing the font size up to 11 and making it bold. After then I am clicking on my color tab and go to the border and selecting the border value as black. And I can also increase its size and bringing it to somewhere here. Now you can clearly visualize that my pie chart is created, and this pie chart will be showing you the visualization of various dimensions, that is category, with according to various profits in it. So the technology have the most amount of profit, whereas furniture have the least amount of profit. So this is the way that how we can create a pie chart in Tableau. The other way of creating a pie chart in Tableau is, the easiest way for creating the pie chart in Tableau is, click on the dimension for which you want to create a pie chart and click on the year for which you want to create a pie chart. Press Ctrl from your keyboard and go to Show Me tab. Click on this pie. Your pie chart will be created. So with this pie chart, again you have to give the labels. So for giving the labels, pick category over to label, pick profit over to label. Take profit as quick table calculation percent of total. Now go to label, increase its size to 11, bold. Now click on color, border, black, and if you want to increase the size, you can increase it. So by this way you can create a pie chart in Tableau. The one way you can create it manually, and the other way you can use the Show Me tab and can create the pie chart. Thanks. Might be you'll be getting the video and you'll be understanding it. If you will be getting it, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks and stay safe.